We tend to believe we're the smartest species on Earth, using traditional classroom intelligence as the benchmark to measure an animal's brain power. But those tests just scratch the surface. All animals make their own decisions, whether it's instinctual or well thought out, just like us. We have all evolved throughout the years, continue to learn from one another, and have formed friendships with each other. You might be reading this with your own intelligent little friend, your pet, by your side. Here are 10 of the smartest animals, which have continued to show their remarkable intelligence time after time. Number 10. Rat. Despite having tiny brains and bodies, rats are one of the smartest animals in the world. Rats have demonstrated preferences for certain things and individuals, much like other pets. They will purr like cats or even squeak a high-pitched laugh when they are delighted to have visitors. They use a process known as metacognition, or making judgments based on what they know or do not know, instead of acting arbitrarily. That said, rats are easier to train than typical house rodent species, such as guinea pigs and rabbits, and they frequently want to please their owners. Number 9. Octopus. Octopus is one of the smartest creatures in the sea. This animal is still poorly understood, but scientists are constantly discovering new and impressive abilities. Octopuses play, solve problems, navigate through mazes, and have respectable short-term memories. But how is an animal that belongs to the same class as the snail capable of such clever feats? It may be that the combination of strength, agility, curiosity, and a lot of brain power sets the octopus apart from its soft-bodied brethren. Although its nervous system includes a central brain, 3/5 of the octopus's nerves are distributed throughout its 8 arms, which serve as 8 mini brains. Well, no wonder it's so smart. Number 8. Otters. Otters are gregarious creatures with advanced social systems and keen curiosity. Families and clans are the 2 major social groupings that otters will belong to. Mothers and their young form groups called families to protect one another from predators and acquire the resources they require to thrive. Male adult groupings known as clans will only reunite with their families during mating season. Olfaction is a special form of communication used by otters to identify the location of their territory. They leave their scent on their digging, haulouts, rolling sites, and sleeping areas. So, the next time you decide to adopt a pet otter, know that they are smarter than what you give them credit for. Number 7. Gorillas. To protect themselves from all of their natural enemies, gorillas have evolved incredibly intricate social structures called gorilla battalions. They have strong emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Coco the gorilla is the only gorilla with a greater reputation for intelligence. Coco understood more than 1,000 signals and more than 2,000 spoken words. The Western lowland gorilla served as the symbol of the Gorilla Foundation and as the mascot for Animal Rights and Environmental Protection Agency. Number 6. Pig. Pigs are among the smartest animals today, making them even smarter than dogs. They have good spatial awareness and can recall cause and effect relationships like dogs. In fact, their ability to recall what happened in specific areas, particularly when it comes to seeking or obtaining food, is influenced by their sense of direction. Pigs can quickly trot back home even after traveling great distances. They are roughly as intelligent as 3-year-old toddlers when compared to humans. Pigs like rolling about in the mud, but they also recognize the value of cleanliness. So, the next time you eat that delicious piece of bacon, know that there was an intelligent animal that made it possible for you. Number 5. Goats. Goats are believed to be just as intelligent as dolphins, whales, and other highly intelligent creatures. The goats were trained to pull a rope with their teeth, then lift another lever with their noses, all while eating fruit in a plastic box. 9 goats who participated in the test could pick up the skill after just 4 trials. When the 9 trained goats were tested 10 months later, almost all of them could obtain the fruit in under a minute. Only 1 goat couldn't recall how to obtain the fruit. Number 4. Dogs. Dogs are incredibly loyal and clever, making them the ideal human companions. The best dog breeds can learn human language, solve problems, and recall cause and effect relationships. Dogs have served a variety of functions throughout history that are imprinted in their DNA, thanks to their capacity to carry out complicated, chained orders. For example, dogs have been used for sniffing criminals, guarding, herding, and hunting for thousands of years. These canines are trained to perform tasks that people are incapable of, such as sensing impending seizures and hearing heart abnormalities. Number 3. Dolphin. Dolphins' ability to solve complicated puzzles, maintain a complex social structure, comprehend human relationships, and even teach other dolphins difficult tasks taught to humans has led to claims that they are among the world's smartest animals. Dolphins' temporal lobes are where they process language and auditory information, unlike humans and primates. Their highly evolved paralimbic systems are what enable them to comprehend and read the emotions of others around them. These marine creatures' sophisticated brains are what give them their distinct emotional intelligence. It enables them to comprehend complex ideas, develop their own societies, comprehend the significance of communicating via symbols, and identify themselves in mirrors. Number 2. Parrots. A parrot's best-known ability is to learn words from human language and repeat them back with uncanny precision. Because of their DNA, parrots can think abstractly, and their brains grow in a manner resembling that of humans. They are very friendly creatures that require other living things to interact and spend time with. If not, they experience severe depression. In addition to talking, parrots exhibit other common intelligent acts, such as utilizing tools to solve problems. They can learn to converse about various settings and remember up to 100 words, sometimes more. If you don't believe us, adopt a parrot and try to teach it some words. You'll be surprised how quickly a parrot picks up your spoken words. Research says some parrot breeds are smarter than others. Number 1. Chimpanzees. On the internet, chimpanzees are frequently shown behaving like young people, caring for pets like dogs or bunnies, and driving around in toy cars. They can experience various emotions, form bonds with animals of many kinds, and speak fluently to people and other animals. Chimpanzees frequently imitate how young children spend their days and are roughly as intelligent as a 5-year-old child. In fact, these creatures can cry when they are sad and laugh when they are having fun. Chimpanzees are not only able to distinguish between various objects, but they are also able to give those items rational names. So, the next time you visit your local zoo, remember that these animals have an excellent understanding of how you behave in front of them. So that's all for today. If you like these kinds of videos, let us know in the comment section below. That's all for today. See you in our next video. Till then, take care.